A framework for writing your argumentative speech.
Hook your audience's attention by showing your personal experience observation about the issue.
Tell the background of the issue.
State your thesis statement about this issue.
Define key terms. Clarifying important terms ensures that viewers fully grasp the nuances of your argument.
Address counterarguments. Acknowledging opposing views demonstrates that you have considered various perspectives.
Rebut counterarguments politely. Show that your stand is the one that makes sense.
Mention briefly again your thesis statement and the strong points that support it.
Suggest logical solutions.
Call for actions.
Give hope to your audience.
Here's my sample argumentative speech that I would like to share to you.
The need for faster road repairs.
Good morning, everyone. I'm sure many of you, like me, have been caught in the endless traffic jams here in Ambongonan. This morning, I got late despite leaving home early due to the heavy traffic again. The same story every day. Roads are blocked off for repairs, and yet progress seems painfully slow. I live near one of the busiest roads, and it's frustrating to see the same area blocked off for weeks, with only a small portion being repaired. We've gotten so used to this, it feels almost normal. But should we really be okay with this? The issue is simple but frustrating. Road repairs here take far longer than they should. For what seems like minor projects, the repair drag on for months, sometimes even years. And all of this leads to unbearable traffic, slowing down everyone, from students to teachers to workers and the ordinary people. I believe we need to prioritize faster road repairs. After all, these projects are funded by our taxes. We, the taxpayers, deserve to see our money put to good use, with repairs being completed quickly and efficiently, not stretching over months or even years for small sections. Let me explain the situation to you. In the Philippines, traffic has become a major problem that we all experience daily. Long lines of vehicles and hours spent waiting in traffic are now just part of our routine. Unfortunately, the situation only gets worse when road repairs are involved. These repairs often take months or even years to complete, despite being for relatively small sections of road. Why does this happen? It's because of inefficiencies in how these repair projects are managed. Many of these projects are tied to long, unclear contracts with no strict deadlines, which causes unnecessary delays. This means that we, as taxpayers, are left waiting, paying for repairs that should be completed much more quickly. Now, some people might say, matuto ka mag-antay. Patience is a virtue. Trust the process. Huwag kang They may argue that road repairs take time and we should just be patient. Well, while it's true that there is virtue in waiting at times, it's not always the case. It's hard to accept when we see such minor repairs dragging on for months. The delays aren't due to complexity. They're due to inefficiency and lack of accountability. Yes, patience is a virtue, but we cannot ignore the fact that our daily lives are severely impacted by these unnecessary delays. When road repairs take longer than needed, it causes significant disruptions in daily life. Students are late for school, workers miss important meetings, and everyone wastes valuable time stuck in traffic. In situations where efficiency is possible, waiting becomes more of an obstacle than a virtue. To solve this problem, we need to change how road repair contracts are handled. The government should focus on making contracts clear, transparent, with strict deadlines, and with regular progress checks. Choosing contractors who have a proven track record of finishing projects on time and using competitive bidding can help make this happen. It's also important to use modern equipment and technology to speed up repairs. According to Government Procurement Reform Act, signage about the project's detail must be displayed so there will be transparency and people will know. By doing these things, road projects can be completed faster and with fewer delays, making daily life easier and traffic more manageable for all of us. Road repairs can be done more efficiently by working during off-peak hours, like early mornings, to minimize disruption and keep traffic flowing smoothly. To summarize, we need faster road repairs because it causes traffic that disrupts the daily lives and productivity of everyone. Also, it is our money as taxpayers that is used for funding these projects, so we have the right to demand faster road repairs. Our government should ensure road repair contracts that are clear and transparent with firm deadlines and regular progress checks. I appeal to our governor, a woman of great leadership, to address this issue. Please listen to the people of Angbongonan, the students, the teachers, the workers, and all those who endure this daily struggle. We deserve to see our roads repaired quickly so we can move freely and live without the burden of traffic. You have the power, our beloved governor, to solve this, and we know we can depend on you. Thank you. Thanks for watching Ponderings with Teacher Ben. I hope you learned something from this example argumentative speech. Good luck on your own argumentative speech, and see you once again here in Ponderings with Teacher Ben. Goodbye.